What's going on, everyone? Welcome to Shooting a Shave. It's good to be here and it's good to be doing another shave video. Yesterday after work I came home and I found a box sitting on my front doorstep from West Coast Shaving. And I thought, well, that's funny, I didn't order anything from West Coast Shaving. So I took it inside and I opened it up and found a soap and an aftershave splash in there, and I looked at the receipt and it was from my parents. So I got sniped by my parents. So let me show you what they got me. They got me Kaw Chypre Rose Concerto. And they got me an aftershave splash, which was Fine American Blend. So, thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad, for the gifts. I really appreciate them. I'm going to go ahead and use them for today's shave. So, let me show you the brush I'm going to use. My Parker Badger here. I've had that soaking. I'm going to go with the Muhle R89, and I got a treat blade in there on its 5th use. So, I'm going to go ahead and wet the face, and we'll get started. Yeah, so when I got home and I saw what was in the box, I was really excited. I've been wanting to try Holy Cow for a while. I've heard nothing but good things about it, and supposedly it's got an awesome post shave. And some of the stuff in there for that is donkey milk, cocoa butter, shea butter, lanolin, and hops extract. So it'll probably have an amazing post shave feel, which I've heard nothing but good things about. So I'm not going to wet it. I'm just going to go ahead and load the brush. So as I'm loading it, the scents that I'm getting off of this are very floral scents. On the scale from 1 to 10, I'd say it's a 6. It's pretty strong. Add a little water in there. So I hope everybody's doing well and had a good week. It's Friday here today, so happy Friday to everyone. Hope you all have a wonderful weekend ahead. Just a little more water. I have a feeling that this is going to be very thirsty. And the scent on this is lovely. I love florals. If you like florals, you'll like this. It's got a little bit of a woody scent in there too. Locked and loaded. A lot of excess cream, so I'm going to go ahead and add that on there. That's just a fabulous scent. All right. Beautiful. Very nice lather, a lot of volume to it. A little while back, my parents had asked me to send them a list of soaps that I like and websites that I use to buy my soaps. So I gave them a list, and this one was on there, and thanks again, Mom and Dad. I really appreciate it. I'm really excited to use this. We're really excited to use this soap. It's awesome. Thank you so much. All right, put some heat in the blade here. I'm gonna go with the first pass here. Very nice first pass. Good residual slickness on this also. Excellent residual slickness. This is really nice stuff. A little pricey, but very nice. Okay, gonna go here, second pass, across the green. Yeah, there's a lot of cushion on this soap. Ton of it. Just gliding across. No problem mowing through that hair. I've only got about a day's growth though. I've been shaving every day. Trying to see how the skin can take daily shaves. So far I've been pretty lucky. No bad razor burn. I can see what all the rave was about this soap. been an excellent shave so far. Wow. Not too much to pick up here. I'm going to be able to get it all with three passes. I'm going to have to do a cleanup pass. Man, this smells really good. Really enjoying the scent on this. Some of the other Holy Cow soaps I've smelled, I didn't like the scents on them, but I love this one. Took a little too much off there. Okay, third pass. No soap on here, man. Just great residual slickness. I don't even need a soap or need to apply. Just a little bit right here. All right, that's gonna be good. I'm happy with that. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse up and we'll come back for post shave. Okay, so I'm back for post shave here, and while I was cleaning up the sink and everything around here, I squeezed the soap out of the brush and I put it onto my skin to enhance the post shave feel. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna rinse it off. And here's all the stuff that's in it. Let me see if I can get it in on camera. You got the donkey milk, cocoa butter, kokum butter, shea butter, lanolin, and hops extract. All stuff that's really good for your skin, and probably won't even need a post-shave balm, so that's why I left the soap on my face. So just gonna go ahead and put the splash on. And this is another gift from my parents that I showed earlier. It's the Fine American Blend. I'm gonna shake it up. And the scent doesn't exactly match the soap, but what the heck? I like this scent. It's got some floral notes in it, so it's not too far off. Very nice. Very nice shave. Holy cow. Holy cow. Very good experience with it. Had a nice shave. That's probably one of my top soaps that I've used all year this year. Just a great shave, really nice glide. Got a lot of protection, so yeah, I can see why it's a premium product. Well, let me recap what I used here. Holy Kaw Chypre Rose Concerto. Went with the Muhle R89 with a treat blade in there on its 5th use. Went with Parker Badger here. For post-shave, I did the face wash for the balm, I guess, type thing. And for the aftershave, I went with Fine American Blend. Well, that's going to do it for today's shave, guys. Wishing you all a great weekend and a great week ahead. See you soon for another shave video. Take care.